Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TD Bank credit card, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in the official TD Bank website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the login option typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login option to be directed to the login page. On the login page, you will see two fields prompting for your credentials. In the first field, enter your user ID associated with your TD Bank account. In the second field, input your password carefully. Make sure your caps lock is not accidentally turned on, as passwords are case sensitive. If you would like to stay logged in for future visits, check the box that says Remember Me. Before proceeding, verify that all entered information. Once everything is in order, click the Login button to access your account. If you forget your user ID or password, there are links available to help you retrieve or reset them. Follow the prompts provided after clicking these links to regain access to your account. For enhanced security, TD Bank might send you a verification code via email or text. Enter this code in the designated field if prompted, and click Verify. Once verified, you will be redirected to your TD Bank. For mobile users, you can also download the TD Bank app from your device's App Store. Open the app and tap on the login icon. Enter your user ID and password as you did on the website. Follow any additional prompts, including verification if required. After logging in successfully, you can manage your credit card, view statements, and check your balance. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to TD Bank customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.